stop buying multiple 2000 rupee IEMs. I've seen a lot of people who do this. I've met a few people who've got not just one or two sets of 2000 rupee IEMs or in that price range. I've seen guys who even got up to 5, 8, 10 different sets of IEMs within the same price range. Now, why I'm saying stop that is for a very specific reason. Now, yeah, you might like what you're doing. You might enjoy the different flavors that these different IEMs have to offer. Good for you if you find happiness in that. I mean, go on ahead, keep doing what you're doing. But what I would recommend is try and up things a bit. And a good example of that is whatever's available in the 2000 range of IEMs. If you look at what's in the 3000 range, for example, the Kiwi Ears Cadenza is a set that I really think hits way above its weight. It's out of the 2000 price range, kind of, I mean, with that 999 added to it. But it gives you so much more value when it comes to what you're listening to. Its overall sound reproduction, I think, is far superior than most of the things I've heard in the 2000 price range. So instead of restricting yourself in that price range, stretch a bit. And then, tomorrow when you want to save a bit more, go to the 5 or 6000 range. Because yes, you do get diminishing returns. But once you experience that for some time and get used to it, it's very difficult to go back. And those diminishing returns suddenly disappear when you've actually spent more time with more expensive IEMs. So that is something to try out, but let me know what you listen to down in the comments.